Want to set up good looking sub and follow goals with little to no effort at all? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, before we get started, my name is Chase and I make streamer support videos. I also stream on twitch.tv/ChaseBeyond. Feel free to hit me up anytime with any questions you may have about streaming, whether I'm live, in the comments below, or in my DMs, and I will do my best to give you a solution. So Twitch has come out with some great in-house and stream integrated goals in the form of follower and sub goals that you can now use for your stream. They're really easy to set up and they look great. Using these goals may help the growth and monetization of your channel. So I'm going to show you how to set those up. You can access your goal manager two ways. The first way, you can go to your chat and type /goal and hit enter. And the second way, you want to go to your stream manager and then go down to your quick actions menu, scroll down to the bottom where it shows the plus, hit the plus, and then you go to manage goals. What you're going to do is you're going to add that into your quick actions menu. X out of that, and anytime you want to use it, you just click manage goals. Okay, so now that we're here, we'll go through everything this menu has to offer. So you'll notice there's two options you have under goal type. You'll have followers and you'll have subscriptions. And it's pretty obvious what those are for: a follower goal and a sub goal. Now, of course, you won't have access to sub goals if you're not an affiliate yet, for obvious reasons, because you're not yet an affiliate and you don't have access to subs. But you can still use follower goals. However, you'll unlock subscription goals once you hit affiliate. So we're going to set up a sub goal, and we're not going to really go over follower goals because after I show you how to do that with sub goals, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's just one thing in sub goals that may not be quite clear on what it means. So we'll set up the sub goal, and follower goals will be pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so when you set up your sub goals, you'll notice a couple numbers here. The number on your left, that's your sub points. Number on the right is your sub point goal. Now the sub points, that is not necessarily how many subs you have, but it's calculated based off of the different levels of subs. So a tier 1 sub is going to be worth 1 sub point, tier 2 sub is going to be worth 2 sub points, and then a tier 3 sub is going to be worth 6 points. So you can adjust this number on the right to anything you'd like. Now make it a reasonable number, like say we have 21 sub points right now. Let's try to basically double that. Let's go to 40. Let's see what will happen. And then whatever you put in there, that will show in your preview and how it's going to look when you use it as a browser source later. Down here is going to be your description, which is essentially the title of your sub goal. Now by default, it is titled sub goal. You don't actually have to put anything in there if you don't want to, but I recommend actually putting something in there in terms of something that your community can look forward to, something that will bring value to the community after you reach your goal. Get creative with your titles. You could put anything in there from 50 subs and I upgrade my mic, or 60 subs and I do a naked Skyrim fistfight story run. Except maybe not do that one. I might do that one. That sounds like a lot of fun. Alright, so once you're all squared away there, go down to browser source and you're going to copy this link here, which you'll use to apply to your visuals for your stream. When you're done with that, hit start goal and the goal will start. It should show in your chat box sub goal starting, follower goal starting, and the progress there. Now once you make progress towards your goals, it'll actually show up in chat when somebody does that. Now to manage your goals and to look back on it, go to your quick actions, hit manage goals, and it'll show your current, your goal, and of course your preview again, and your browser source to recopy if you need to recopy. And of course you can end your goal there as well. Alright, so how do we display our goal on our stream? Let's go over to Streamlabs and I'll show you how. Okay, so now we're in Streamlabs. From here, what you want to do is you want to go to the scene that you're using. For me, I'm using my YouTube blank slate for the case of the video here. Once you're in your scene, hit on the plus button under sources. You're going to go over here to browser source. Click on that, add source. And then we're going to add a new source instead. We're going to title this sub goal. or follow goal if that's what you're doing. Or whatever you want, really. Could be anything you want. Add source. And then if you remember that URL we had from the stream manager earlier, well, we're going to use that and paste that in there and under URL. And then we're going to change the width to 1480 and the height to 160. Now you don't have to make it these dimensions. This is just the one that Twitch recommends. And then when you're done, you're going to hit done. And there it is. There's your goal. And you can adjust it, make it smaller, make it bigger, move it around, put it on the top, put it in the corner, however you'd like. It's your sub goal. So having your stream goals displayed is a great way to meter your progress towards those goals that you have for your viewers and for yourself. In displaying those goals, you might discover that your viewers are more willing to help you reach those goals than you think. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, feel free to check us out on twitch.tv/ChaseBeyond. We're streaming there all the time. And of course, hit that like, hit that subscribe, tick that bell. Love you guys. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. I've hit the 30 out of 30 subs, and it's time to eat an entire freaking raw onion. I've never done this before. Thank you so much for gifting the subs to the community. Bottoms up, boys. We're going to have to eat this whole thing during the stream.
Maybe after, because the Reaper's right there.
Yeah, I'll eat it while we're fighting.
Oh, please no. Hold up, where's the Reaper? Mattias, I'll check the map. You stay up here. Mattias, I'll check the map.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god, the Reapers are right on the other side of the fort of the dam from us.
Oh man, I'm going to be crying.
Just evade them. Do you want to fight them,
Oh,
Shane, or
yeah.
do you want to try and slip right past
No, we
them?
can, hold on a second. Hold on.
Brig.
Where are they at?
They're to our direct left, Chase. Just look to our left.
I can't look anywhere right now.